Okay, so number 5, what is meant by monochromatic? So this one we've done many times. Yes, okay. Yes, thanks. Okay, when the light is single frequency or single wavelength or single color, same thing. Okay, explain why the ray does not change direction as it blah 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 to AB is traveling along the normal. Okay, so you say the light
along the normal line.
Yes, is traveling along the normal line. I got 2 marks. What is the second mark? Okay, traveling along the normal line. Oh, what? Okay, just right. Just copy this out. Okay, so the angle of incidence is equals to 0. So the angle of incidence equals 0. Then the angle of refraction will equal 0 as well. Okay, so show the critical angle. This one very easy. Critical angle is 1 over sine c. Remember the formula, right?
Yes.
Okay, so 1.5 goes to 1 over sine c. You solve this, your c is 42 degree. Proof, done. Yay. So easy. Question donkey. 5.1 shows the angle between a ray is theta. The right angle, the theta increases to 45 degree. What happens to the light that strikes P? So, yes, okay. With critical angle is 42, am I right? If your incident ray
reflect up total.
Yeah, total internal refraction. Yeah. Okay, so now it's greater than your critical angle. Yes. Total internal refraction occurs. Okay, so you say all the light is now reflected instead of refracted. Okay. All light is reflected. So why? Because angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle. Okay, guys, number 2. When the theta is 45, refracted light strikes the side CD. What happens when this refracted light strikes the light CD? So the rich CD refraction, man? Refraction, man? Another 45, right?
Another 45.
Yeah, another 45. So another total refraction. Yeah. Okay, so yes, okay, all light is reflected again. Is reflected. Okay, because the angle is still greater than the critical angle. Okay, guys, number 6. Can we discuss now? Okay, everyone, number 6. Find the wavelength. So V equals F lambda. Okay, so lambda is V over F. You get how much? 0.16 meter. Okay, 0.16 meter. Okay. Say 2 reasons why microwave are used for mobile phones signals. So why use microwave? Why?
There's longer wavelength.
Yes.
Wow, because it's healthy, because it's not radiation.
Actually, is it? Longer wavelength, man? Yeah, longer wavelength. Why we need longer wavelength?
It's low on the spectrum.
Travel further.
Yes. Okay. Longer wavelength and travel further. Okay, number 2. Why? Because microwave can penetrate through wall. Can penetrate through
microwave or
wall. Yeah. Okay. So describe this one. Okay, I just show you guys the answer. Analog cannot. And still got 4 minutes. We finish this question, then we stop out. Still got 2 questions only. Okay, analog. Just draw discrete reading like this.
That's the sine graph.
Yeah, sine graph. Like +5, -5 like that.
Digital.
Okay, digital only 0 or 1. So you just draw like this. Like this 1. You label the value 1. So the graph looks like this one. Like a cube thingy. Okay, rectangular. Okay. So first you set analog. Okay, has continuous readings.
你只需要说这个不好做，对，不需要知道这种东西啊。
Yeah. Okay, digital, discrete reading. Or you say digital only have 0 and 1, also can.
Actually, how is it related to physics? Huh?
In future is important one. Like in future, you want to make something digital, you need to know all this one.
You learn this in ICT already, but I don't take ICT.
Okay.
Yeah, we learn this in ICT.
So two advantages of using digitals rather than analog. So why we use digital? Because digital is faster. Digital signal is faster because it's computer.
This is ADC and DAC.
Okay, what else?
Oh yeah,
Digital signal can travel longer distance.
ADC, DAC.
Okay, can travel longer distance. All this chat. Okay, I'll give you guys one more. Okay, one more is to say digital signal. The noise can be easily removed. What? Scam me what?
Oh, never mind.
Okay, digital signal, the noise can be easily removed. Okay, noise means like the data that you don't want, you can filter it out easily on. Okay, just like your computer, you can filter out the virus because you can filter out. Like analog is the use magnetic whatever, it's hard to control. Okay, but computer one, the data you can filter out easily.
What is the?
Yeah, the graph of analog output. This is the graph of digital output. 1, 0 only.
Advantage of analog.
Advantage of analog.
Continuous reading, you get continuous data coming in.
Yeah, you get different readings. Hey, seriously, I don't know. That's a good question. We Google. Analog signal advantage.
Analog signal is because it does not vary, bro. It's very smoothly.
Where got smoothly?
Smoothly.
The advantage is noise.
Google the teacher.
Let Zitron
signal is smooth and does not vary.
Let Zitron in, he can insult him better.
Yeah lah, insult me better, man. Come on, man.
Zitron!
So what's the third advantage again?
Noise can be filtered easily. Or easily removed. Okay, guys. If no problem, I'll see you all next week.